Hello, my name is Nikita Booker, and welcome to my guide on how to use Dropbox for group assignments. What is Dropbox? Dropbox is a file sharing service. You can store and share files, collaborate on projects, and bring your biggest ideas to Dropbox. You can use Dropbox on your own, or you can use it with others. For Dropbox, you can work together in one place with no worries. You can access your files from a computer, phone, or tablet. Any changes that you make with Dropbox will automatically sync with your other devices. How can I use Dropbox for group assignments? As stated before, Dropbox has the ability to let you work on the applications in it with yourself or with others. Dropbox lets you send files to anyone, even if they do not have an account of their own. Any file that you are sharing with Dropbox will always be updated and always stay up to date, which can help you and your team stay on the same page. People can use Dropbox Paper, which is a application that they have installed on Dropbox, to create and coordinate. Paper is a collaborative workspace for your team. The team can work with all types of content, from YouTube videos to code to images and social media. In this presentation, we'll go over 4 tasks. The first task is sign up for Dropbox. In order to work on the document together, you have to sign up for Dropbox first. The next task is to navigate through Dropbox. After you have signed up for Dropbox, I will go over what you can do and how to use the application. The next task is to make a paper document. As I have discussed before, Dropbox has a new application called Dropbox Paper. Dropbox Paper can be used to create and coordinate with your team. The final task is to share your paper document with a classmate. In the end of the presentation, you will have enough knowledge to know how to use Dropbox and Dropbox Paper, that you can make a document of your own, and you will have made a document. You should be able to share the document to someone you know. Signing up. Here's the signing up page for Dropbox. In order to have your own Dropbox, you have to sign up. In order to sign up to Dropbox, you have to use your first and last name, your email address, your password, make a password, and after that, you just have to sign in. After you have included all the information, you should be able to own your own Dropbox account. This is the home page of Dropbox. On this page, you will see the document you have uploaded. You have a couple of options on this page. The first option is to upload your files. The second option is to upload a folder. The third option is that you can make a new folder to share with other people. And the final option is that you can create a paper document. You can also create a new file that you can have uploaded to Dropbox as well. For now, we'll focus on Dropbox Paper. In order to get to Dropbox Paper, click on the Paper tab. This is the home page of Dropbox Paper. On this page, you can create a new paper document. Create a new paper document with templates, or create a paper document with meeting notes. Now we'll go over getting started with Dropbox Paper. Making a paper document. Here's Dropbox Paper. It's great for capturing ideas and gathering quick feedback for your team. Dropbox Paper uses words, images, codes, and other media from the apps. Here are a few things you can do with Dropbox Paper. Create lists like bullet lists, number lists, and checklists. Add emojis to the document. You can assign tasks to different people. You can add images and align them on the left or right or center, or expand them to full size. You can also add GIFs to the document as well. You can add media for applications like YouTube, Vimeo, Spotify, and Google Drive. Dropbox Paper also has a use of coding languages that people can use. Dropbox also has an ability to create tables. There are many things that people can do with Dropbox Paper. It's easy to use and easy to access. The last thing you need to know how to do is to share your document. There are a few ways you can share your document. The first way is that you can add people to the document. You can add people to the document by clicking on the invite button. Inviting people will give you the access to work and edit on the document with them. The next way you can share your document is to click on the link icon that is next to the invite button. With this button, you can copy the link and give it to somebody who wants to access your Dropbox document. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you can use this knowledge to use Dropbox in your next group assignment or any assignments that you will have in the future.